I am super excited. Kiss storms Las Vegas. This is a full-fledged Kiss reunion, not in makeup. Gene says they're done with that. No more makeup. No more roller coaster drums and, shooting out to the stage. No more sound systems and no more wardrobe. None of that stuff. They're going to go and they're going to rock. You wanted the best. You got the best. The hottest band in the world. Kiss. Gene Simmons invented this. And it's going to be, a reunion. Okay, so it's going to be original bass player and lead singer Gene Simmons, original rhythm guitar player and lead singer Paul Stanley, fifth replacement guitarist Tommy Thayer, and third replacement drummer Eric Singer. I mean, this is going to be just, one for the record books. And there are rumors. I don't know how credible the rumors are. Because again, you hear things here and there, but you don't know for sure. But third Kiss replacement guitarist Bruce Kulick may in fact, be joining the band. I don't know if they're going to do an encore, because I'll tell you something. To see the third replacement lead guitarist doing a solo with the fifth replacement lead guitarist, that's Kiss. And to be part of that, I would just pinch myself, because I would be like, wow, I would be like, I am part of Kisstory. Gene, Paul, Tommy, Bruce, and Eric, for the first time ever, all on one stage, all playing 40-year-old Kiss songs. That's right, 40-year-old Kiss songs, the ones that have Ace and Peter on them. But forget about Ace and Peter. You've got you get the third drummer, and then you get the third replacement with the fifth replacement. That's way better than having Ace and Peter up there. And the reality of the matter is that, Kiss is giving back to the fans. Sure, Gene and Paul are getting a lion's share of it, but they're not doing this because they have to. They're doing this because they want to. It's not like Gene Simmons just had to cancel a solo run. Actually, Gene Simmons did just cancel a solo run. They're doing this because they have to, folks. But listen, the point is go there. You may hear some semblance of Paul's voice, and you'll see Gene. And you'll see a lot of replacement guitarists and drummers, none of which are inducted to the Kiss, none of which are inducted with Kiss to the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, because they don't matter. But the important take home here is that you're going to get to see Gene and Paul, and some other excellent musicians, So I'm excited. I think they're going to make some money, and that makes me happy because that makes them happy.